Hey, we're gonna continue with one more video here on how to use ChatGPT to learn a new programming language. This is especially the case when you are familiar with a programming language already and you want to learn another, so you know how to ask queries to ChatGPT. So the first query would be, for example, let's say we want to learn Java, and you'd say create me a curriculum on learning Java. And you want to keep everything in one chat as usual. So first I'm asking ChatGPT to give me a curriculum with the main items to be learned, and then in the next line you want to query about the first point here, introduction to Java and its history. So you can say, tell me more about the first item of the curriculum, right? You learn about that, then you ask for the second item, and so on. So you can ask, you can go deeper and deeper into how many questions you asked. So you can ask for code examples. So ChatGPT could be like your personal tutor for learning something. So there it goes, the curriculum, it's already 11 points. And there we have a final project. So then in the final project, you can ask for ideas. Like, give me some ideas on Java projects, and then you pick one of those ideas, you ask questions again, and so on. I'm sure that with the knowledge you have so far with ChatGPT, I'm sure that you can dig deeper into this on your own. So that was a quick tip on how to use ChatGPT to learn new programming languages. Some more tips in the next video. See you.